Court of India, SCI, typing test date for Court Master and Personal Assistant. The Supreme Court of India, SCI, has officially announced the date for the typing speed test for various posts, including Court Master, Shorthand, Senior Personal Assistant, and Personal Assistant. The test is scheduled to be conducted on Tuesday, 21st January 2025, across 23 cities in India. Key highlights. Exam date, 21st January 2025. Posts included: Court Master, Shorthand. Senior Personal Assistant. Personal Assistant. Mode, computer-based typing speed test. Cities, conducted in 23 cities nationwide, depending on the number of candidates registered for each test city. Important details. Candidates will be tested separately for each post, ensuring a fair evaluation process tailored to the specific requirements of each role. What's next? Candidates are advised to check their admit cards, look for specific details about the test center, reporting time, and instructions. Practice typing, ensure they meet the required typing speed standards for the respective posts. Stay updated, regularly visit the official Supreme Court of India website for further notifications. Thanks.